All right, you guys, so I'm going to create for you a beautiful gallery wall right here behind me where my TV sits here in the living room. On this side, I have the couch, and on this side, I have two beautiful chairs with a coffee table in the middle. So this wall is a focal point when you first walk into the house, and that's where the TV is because it is a rather small home. There's no way to conceal it. I found this way, however, creating a beautiful gallery wall will help you create a more beautiful focal point than if you just have your TV in the wall. So the way I like to start is I like to start by creating, and keep in mind that I have already pre-holed the nails, so that way I can do it faster. But tip number one would be to select a theme on your artwork. And I have been collecting artwork from thrift stores and antique stores. Like this came from an antique store, but they are all some sort of scenery of old buildings. I absolutely love old architecture, so therefore I'm gonna start with this guy right here. Now once I determine where that piece goes, and this could be either a larger piece or two smaller pieces, and for this occasion I have selected two smaller pieces with this particular one that I absolutely love as well. It has some blue and white pattern, which you know I love blue and white, and that's another tip I can give you, is just add the things that you absolutely love. I love architecture and I love blue and white, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this piece right here. Now what I need to do is I need to make sure that one sits lower than the other one, because if you put them together, unless they're matching, you're gonna see the difference, and you don't wanna see that. So just by bringing this about 2 inches down, you're already creating that visual interest that you need on a gallery wall. All right, so on this side, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab another picture that has another piece of architecture, and I'm gonna make sure that it's almost as big as the two to create that layering effect that we're going for. And as you can see, I also brought it down a little bit, and this is probably about 8 inches down, and that is starting to create a gallery effect. Then on this side right here, I have chosen yet another beautiful, and I actually found this at Goodwill, you guys, for $175, and somebody wrote me in the comments there was actually a really good piece of artwork, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna add this guy right here, and it's actually signed by the artist. And then I have yet another piece of artwork that has another scenery of architecture. It looks like an old town. I absolutely love it. These two look like sisters, but they were purchased at different stores at different times. And as you guys can see, I'm just gradually going down to kind of surround and enclose the TV, and I love that look. And then on this side right here, I have two little pictures that I'm going to add. Instead of adding just one right here to add more visual interest, I'm gonna add a smaller picture like this one right here that has also another architectural piece. And then I'm gonna add this round little picture of some very elegant lady. And I'm gonna add it right here to kind of finish it off. And as you guys can see, this really creates a very interesting layout on the pictures. It surrounds the TV, it creates more of a focal point, and I love the effect of going down as a ladder effect on both sides, and I just absolutely love it. Another tip I can give you is mix your wood tones. Right here I have gold, I have a very shiny gold, I have a matte gold, I have black, I have brown, I have black with brown, I have black with gold, and I have all kinds of wood tones that absolutely work together, and I love the way this turned out. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up,